So after installation, you have to log into your system. The user ID which you have created and the password. Just enter the password and press the enter key. Now you can see though this is the basic and first screen which you can see once you log into Windows 11. Okay, so you can see the differences. Yeah, the start option is in the middle of that. Earlier in Windows 10 you could have find it in this way, left corner. So this is a start option. Let's go through that. Just click on start so you can see the options or the application which are pinned. Yeah, so even you can pin so many applications which you think that this is important and you want that application to be open easily and in front of you. So you can pin this application. Look, once you click on that application, just right click on that, you can get an option to unpin from start. Run as an administrator, open file location, unpin from taskbar. So you should know the difference between the taskbar and start. So this is the start option or start test, and this is the taskbar. This is the taskbar. Let's say I am going to unpin it from taskbar. So I'll click on unpin from taskbar. So here you can see the difference here, the changes. The Microsoft Edge is not showing on taskbar. So I'll right click on that and pin to taskbar. You can see. Okay, so you can arrange these application by left click and press it, and you can rearrange this. So I want this to be here, so I leave the left key here. So you can see it here now. Yeah, you're able to rearrange it. So this is the start key. Okay, here you can see the account which is logged in now. From here you can change account setting, lock if you want to log. Let's say if you are not working for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you're going out, so you can lock your system. So you can lock it out here. And if you want that, okay, now my work is done, I want someone else to be work on this system, so I'll sign out from my account. So you can do it here. Then the major changes which you can see it here, just click on if you want to shut down or restart your system or a PC, just click here, restart and shut down. So this is about your start key. Now let's come to search option. Search option is almost similar. You can see it here, it's just like Cortana. Here you can see the Cortana is as well as. So Cortana is just an AI application or AI based search option which you could find it in Windows 10 as well as. Okay, so whatever application you want to search or file, you can just simply type it here, setting. Okay, if we click on setting, look at this, we can get the option setting. Now let's say I want some application. Yes. So you can see it here, and you can open it easily. Now you have an option for task view. So in task view we can see how many applications or how many windows opened in your system. Look at this, Cortana is open, MS Paint is open. So you can toggle between the multiple applications which are open and you're working on It's similar to as if you want to use shortcut key that Alt tab. You can do it by pressing Alt tab as well as. So this is here. It's like a manual option, and the shortcut key is Alt plus tab. Here you have visit. So it's like, let's say Windows 7. You could have seen. You could have seen like multiple country flag or the watch, which you could have set it here right corner. Okay, so this is for Wigit. For that you have to log in using your Microsoft account. Microsoft account can be either it's outlook.com or live.in or live.com. So you can create a Microsoft account for better use. Then you have a internet browser. Yeah, that is Microsoft Edge. Then you have a file explorer, and this is similar in all Windows operating system. So once you open file explorer, you can see four options here: desktop, download, documents, and picture. I hope you all are aware of this. Then you have Microsoft Store. So it's a similar like if you have an Android phone and if you go to Google Play Store, you can find millions of applications which is useful for your phones. So similar here, you can download games, you can download some important application like desktop version of WhatsApp and Facebook Lights. Look at this VLC. So it's a video player which you can install it through Microsoft Storage Village. Then you have hidden icon. So in hidden icon you can see the application which are running in the background or which are opened, but you cannot see it here. So you can see all those applications which are running in the background can be seen in hidden icon. Then you have an option for network. So whether it is connected to, your system is connected to Wi-Fi or LAN connection, you can see it here. Then you have an option for volume. You can decrease or increase the volume. Then you have a language part. So you can set the multiple language. In which country language you want to be typed. And here we have date and time setting. So if you want to change date and time setting, you can do it from here. Then in last right corner you can see the notification, which is similar as a Windows 10. And even in Windows 10 you could find this option to notification. So you can see it here, some of the system notification which will be easily accessed through this notification area. Here you have a location. If you want to turn off your location, if you do not want the application or system to be access your current location, you can easily turn off from here. Yeah. Then you have a night light. Okay, if you're working in night, so you can set it as well. Then you have another easy access option for all settings. Let's say if you want to change display option, sound setting, or anything in your system. If you want to make some changes in your system, you can go to all setting. Then you have a network option. If you click on network option, you can directly come to this. So this is a normal overview of the first Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so here let's say we'll go to setting and we'll search for the setting option. Okay, so here we can see the setting. Now we'll click on setting. Okay, so let's see what are the options you can find it in Windows 7. First, system devices. So system, here you can change the display, sound, notification, and if you have installed this operating system in your laptop or tab, you can change the power option into this devices. Under these devices, you can connect your Bluetooth device, you can connect to new printer, okay, phone. So again, you have a phone option. Yeah, so phone option means you can read your system notification in your phone or the phone notification into system. Then you have a network option. If you want to change any network setting or IP address or any kind of changes in your network part, you can click on network and internet. Then you have option for personalize. You can change the system background. System background means this display option. If you want to change this, if you want to set a different themes, you can change it from personalize option. Okay, and the lock screen. This you want, my system is locked, so which wallpaper, or if you want to set a personalized wallpaper, you can do it from personalize. Look at this. For that, your Windows must be activated to utilize all these options. So here you can see lock screen. In lock screen, you can see, look at this. If my system is in lock condition, you can see this window. So if you want to change it, first activate your system, then go to background, and from here you can browse and set a different wallpaper. Then you have a theme option. If you want to install different theme, look at this. You have a bundle of themes provided by Windows. Then you have font option. You can change it. Then start. So under start option, you can see the multiple sections. So recent added app. I mean, start app means this is your start option where you can so most of the important apps which you have installed, and if you want to use regularly or you frequently use those app, you can pin it on start option. So you can turn it on or off accordingly. Then you have a taskbar option. So taskbar option means this is the taskbar. So you can change it as well as you can change. Look at this. This taskbar alignment, it is in middle of that. So if you want it in left, you can change it from here. So it will come to left, right, it will come to the side. So you can change it as well as here you have an option for show reset button. These are the buttons. If you want to hide or if you want to show, you can do it. Automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So this is the taskbar, and if you want to show or if you do not want to show, you can change it from here. Okay, so this is a normal overview, and let's say device usage. Whether you want your system to be used as a gaming or for the family. Let's say you want to install this operating system for your family purpose, like in your family, yeah, you have a kids, you have a wife or your father, mother. So you can use it accordingly. Creativity, let's say you are in designing or any creative field, you can set it accordingly. So you have an entertainment purpose, business. So you can select multiple options. Let's say I want my system to be used as a gaming as well as entertainment. So you can select the multiple checkbox. Okay. So change it according to your preferences. Okay, if you want to change the language or date and time setting, you can go to date and time setting. Here I have set it automatically, so it will get it formatted. If you want to change the date and time manually, you can do it here. You just turn on the set automatically time, then you can change it from here. Yeah, change manually whatever time you want, or the location you want, you change it accordingly. Okay, so I will set it automatically, so I do not have to worry to set it manually. Set time zone, it is off now, so I can change it to any time zone. So this is UTC, it's a universal time. Okay, so if you want to set it automatically, let's click on set time zone automatically, so it will automatically set to your current location. Okay, and if you want to add multiple clock, let's say if you're working for an MNC, okay, and if you're in India and you're working for a US client, so you can add a different clock as well. As here you can look at this, you can set the name of the clock. Yeah, you can set the time zone here. So I'm not editing, you can edit according to your work requirement. So this is about date and time setting. So we have an app. Let's say I have a multiple app and I do not use it frequently. Let's say I have a VLC, video player, or a media player. Okay, any application. If you do not want to use, you have Microsoft Office, but you do not want to use Microsoft Office because you do not work on Microsoft Office, so you can click on that application, then go to uninstall, so you can uninstall it accordingly. Okay, so here another very important part which optimize your system performance. So come to a startup option. Here you can see Cortana. So whenever your system will start, it will automatically get on. If you want to make it off, you can just click on this. Okay. So let's say you have installed 100 of applications in your system, and each and every system or applications are getting on at this time. So definitely your system will get some time to start, and if you want to reduce that time, just turn off all the applications which are installed and not important. Okay, let's see here Windows Terminal. If you want to, this application should be start when system will start, so you can turn it off, otherwise let it be no. So this is, I think this is all about the Windows 11. There are many things to explore. Just install it and explore the new operating system Windows 11, which will give you so many things, so many new features. Yeah. So just start exploring, install it, okay, and just click on every application and try to see the changes which you have. So now if you want to set down your PC, what are the options? First option, go to start, then shut down, or else same shortcut key which we are using in Windows 7, 10 or F4. Okay, so if you press Alt F4, you will directly come to one option where you can shut down, restart, sign out, or to switch user. So I'll shut down this PC now, okay, to show you. So let's wait on, and let's wait for the day where Microsoft is going to officially launch this operating system, which is Windows 11. So you can see this, even the logo has changed here. Not much. In Windows 10 it was tilted, in Windows 11 it's straight, that's all. So thank you guys, thank you very much.